No one can prank you as good as your sibling. Watch funny ideas for sibling pranks in our new video. I can't clean without music. Oh yeah! I'll clean the bed. And the closet needs to be clean. My brother decided to clean, and he's having a concert. I'll help you clean, Ben. Sing, sing, don't mind me. Phew, the cleaning is done. What's this? Crumbs? Oh no, I forgot to turn the vacuum cleaner on. Huh? Now I'll have to start over. Aw, what happened? Didn't you finish cleaning? I forgot to turn the vacuum cleaner on. Poor boy. Rosie, you are so cute. Oh, thanks. I'll be right back. I'll fix my makeup and hair. Perfect. I shouldn't hide my beauty. A few selfies. Hi, I have a deal for you. Let's prank Rosie. I'll pay you. Oh! We'll put a skeleton instead of you. Here you go. We also need your t-shirt. I'll pay you. Oh! And profile pics. Awesome! Yeah, now I can go back. I'm back! Oh! Was I really gone for that long? Well, what can I say? I've been on dates worse than this. Hey, bro, are you asleep? Great. I'll borrow your jeans. Cut a leg off jeans and glue it to the edge of another pair of old jeans. The jeans got way longer. Done! Now I can wake him up. Ben! Get up right now! You're late! Hurry! Hold on, I'll just put my jeans on. I'll be quick. Almost done. What's going on? My feet aren't coming out. No way! This is impossible! I'm giving up. I'll go like this.
Ouch!
Oh, Rosie did it! Well, you won't get away with it. I'm so late! Where's my backpack? Great idea! I know what I should put in this backpack. Some weight. Oh, it's heavy! Sister, build up your muscles. Then I'm leaving. Backpack! Whoops! It seems like I went overboard. Oh. Ben, I'll kill you! Hi, you look stunning. How are you? I'm doing great, Ben. And you? What are you doing later tonight? Nothing. I'll be back. I'll get myself a coffee. Run, Ben, run! I'll help you flirt. Shave off the lead on a pencil with a utility knife. Apply the lead dust on a laptop keyboard with a brush. Here I am. So, how about going to the movies after work? Oh, I can't. I'm busy. Very busy. What? How come? Okay, fine. What's with my hand? Rosie! You have to go straight. No, turn right. Oh, ask that hottie. Hey, could you tell me how to get to… Ah! My hair! Ben, put the window down right now. Ha! This is payback for all your pranks! Say goodbye to your hair! My braids! So what? You look good! You're dead! Ben, I'm leaving for a week. The to-do list is on the fridge. Just don't forget to water my favorite plant. Do you hear me? Once every other day. Don't forget. Fine. Do you remember everything I said? Yeah. I'm heading out. Bye. Can you go already? The plant is watered. Hey, Green Buddy. How are you? I'll water you every day. Why aren't you growing? You're not real? Well, sister. Watch out! Just a little lip gloss. Okay, where's my mascara? Oh, I totally forgot about the iron. Go, sis! Don't rush. And meanwhile, I'll take care of your makeup bag. I'll take everything and leave you nothing. Put makeup and accessories in a big jar. Apply hot glue inside the lid. Tightly fasten the lid on the jar. All right. Where's my makeup? It's all gone? Ben, when will it stop? Try getting your makeup, sister. Ben, what the? So how do I get my makeup? These lids are on way too tight. Open up, come on. I won't give up that easy. A knife is gonna help me. Or not, it doesn't help. A wrench. No? Fine. A drill has never let anybody down. Come on, take care of this lid. Oh no! It didn't work either. I'll break these jars into pieces. Brother, I prepared your sneakers for you. Just a little coloring, and you'll have colorful socks. Rosie, move! Hey, I was napping. All you do is nap. Why are you so happy? I'm going on a date. Ha! That's a funny joke. Go. Good luck. That must be Ben. Hi! You came. I'm so happy. Let me take my shoes off. I don't want to get the floors dirty. Ben? What's wrong with your feet? Your socks? I don't know. How embarrassing. I actually need to go. Sorry. Yikes! Here's your wallet, bro. Don't forget it. Good luck with your date. Fasten a few credit cards with double-sided tape. Put them in a wallet. Wrap rubber bands all the way around it. Thanks! The dinner was amazing! Waiter, bring the check! No, I'll pay! What's wrong with my wallet? Where did all these rubber bands come from? Hold on, just a minute. How do I get rid of it? Unbelievable! Wait a second, how do I get to my money? Finally! Oh, where's all my money? My credit cards! They are taped together! This is a nightmare! The last plate, and I paid for the dessert. This is so embarrassing! Yeah, I'll never forget this date. Did you like our hilarious sibling pranks? Then comment below what you liked the most. Makeup in a jar, super long jeans, a dirty keyboard, or a useless wallet. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new funny pranks from Troom.